Hi, this is Professor Charlie Evans, and this morning I'm here to talk about your History 111 Ibn Battuta Group Project assignment. And I know this is something that everyone has been looking forward to since the start of the course, an online group project. It's probably your worst nightmare, but it's not that difficult. And with a little concentrated work over the span of a couple days, you'll get through the group project fine. The first thing you should realize about the group project is that you only have a couple days to complete the project, so you want to get organized fast, you want to get in contact with the other group members really quickly, and you want to get started. The second thing is that you have a choice. You can either write the 3-page paper or you can create a narrated online Prezi. The 3-page paper is a little bit more straightforward. It's worth a little bit less. The online Prezi takes a little bit more technology, but it's not that difficult. It's worth a little bit more, a few more points. In both cases, I expect to see a lot of quoted, cited material. For a 3-page paper, I expect to see at least 10 references. Same with the Prezi, at least 10 references. And by references, I mean quotes from the Battuta travel log or other sources that you're using. For the project, you have available any sources that you can find. As long as you cite them as part of your paper or Prezi, that's fine. So you have the whole internet world, you have the whole book world out there available to you to work on the project. And so make use of those sources. Somehow divide up the work so that you're looking for different materials and different points. Now, make sure you focus on the assignment question. Citing specific evidence from Ibn Battuta, what were some of the main features of Mali political practice and ceremony? So I expect your introduction to clearly say, according to Ibn Battuta, some of the main features of Mali political practice and ceremony were this, that, and something else, or however you choose to phrase it. Make sure your intro is very clear about what you're going to proceed to cover in your paper or your Prezi. Um, as you look at the assignment, you'll see that there's certain specific due days for portions of the assignment, your group contract, progress report, and then the group assignment itself, along with a peer evaluation. Since it is a group assignment, I expect everybody to participate as a group. There's no sending in your own paper because you didn't get along with the group. You work as a group, and then each of the group members will evaluate your work as a group. Ibn Battuta himself is a kind of unique individual. Um, the fact that he was able to travel so widely across the world when he did and visit anywhere from China to Western Africa, the Mediterranean, Spain, the Near East, and everything really made him an important viewer of the societies that he came into contact, all mostly within the Islamic world. So his surviving account is really important for historians and scholars to understand different aspects of the societies that were part of the Islamic world at that time. So your group project is pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward. Don't get worried about it. Just the important thing is to just finish it and get it done. Okay? If you have any questions at any time, please contact your instructor in the course.